Hello, this video is for the Motorola Google account FRP removal. This is the XT1766 model number, but this method pretty much work in every Motorola phone, every model, so it's pretty easy to do and fast and secure. All you need is a bat file that I will use now. You will see it, and plug your phone in fastboot mode. Okay, so already I have the phone plugged in fastboot mode. Make sure you have the proper Motorola drivers installed in your computer. So you see the phone right here. I'm going ahead and open the bat file to remove the FRP lock. This is the file. Okay, we need to put the password for the file. Okay, so now the magic happens. Okay, it's restarting the phone. Okay, it's waiting for the device. Okay, found it now. I'm restarting again. Don't worry, the phone will restart a few times. That's normal. Okay, waiting for the device once again. If you see this yellow triangle right here on Motorola USB networking, um, it may not work, so the driver didn't install properly. So if that happens, and you just go to your, that's why I always open my device manager to see what mode the phone is in and if everything goes wrong there. So yeah, also the antivirus, make sure is turned off. Sometimes it helps. And then after you do that, and you move to the device manager, and then you make sure that the driver is properly installed. So in this case right here, I'm going to uninstall the driver and make sure it install again, and it works the right way. Okay, just one more second to make sure that it's a driver issue. Okay, so I'm going ahead and click uninstall device, uninstall. Now you go to the top and click the little computer, and the drivers is properly installed and reset already. Okay, you see it working right there. It send the payload and rebooting. Okay, so now waiting for the device, and then you need to allow the USB debugging on the phone. So you look your phone screen, and you accept the USB debugging. The phone is restarting. Okay, as you can see, we have the ADB activated on the phone already. So we will use the ADB to, the bot use the ADB to remove the Google lock. That's what it's doing right now. Okay, I accepted, and it says found by bypassing FRP, rebooting to fastboot bootloader, done, and the phone is done. If the phone doesn't reboot itself, you do it yourself. Okay, so here you can see that the Google lock has been removed from this phone. um, Remember, it works for every Motorola model. Okay, that's all, guys. Please subscribe to our channel and like and comment. Okay, until the next one. Bye.